The right side feeds power to the left side. The source for both is the circuit for the garage door. A switch before the outside lights is optional, but was not installed. Romex was used for this application. Normally, inside a conduit, it is not recommended. Romex does not pull easily through conduit. Protection was the reason for using conduit for those DIY installers. Designer Home Electronics recommends using qualified services for electrical work.
The project today is installing outside wall lanterns. A lot of times when your hardware comes out the box, this screw is facing the wrong way. Depends on how you configure this. But you can either have the flare going the other way, but the ultimate goal is to get it flush against the wall. The wall lanterns we are installing are these here. When you make your measurements here, you take a small hole to go through just to be sure that you didn't hit rebarb, and also to make sure you're on the inside of the wall. These are the drill bits we use, 1 inch. I'm sorry, this drill bit here is not 1 inch. It is a 13/16. And the pilot drill bit that we used could be any drill bit. Just all you want to do is make sure it's on the inside of the wall. Of course, we're using 1/2 inch PVC. The stucco on this side is going to make the lamp protrude a little bit. Okay, these are the outside lamps installed, and here's the other one installed. These are some smart home bulbs that are placed inside of here. Put elbows on here. Still need to put some half straps up here to secure the conduit to the wall. But at any rate, this is an idea for smart homes. Whenever you may looking for, you're trying to give someone directions to your home and they can't exactly see where your house is at, or there might be a dark street. It might be a good idea to put these kind of lights out here, and I'm going to display those as soon as they get dark to show you what's the advantages of having smart bulbs. Now, if someone's looking for your home, here's a great idea. You can take and adjust the colors, white to any individual color you choose, and it makes it easier, especially in a dark neighborhood, to locate your home. These bulbs are smart bulbs, and these are from Gosund, but in particular, you can use any color bulbs. But this is one idea that you can use to add to your house, as well as add colors and also make notification real simple. And you can also do holiday colors as well. As we always say, if you have any questions, you can always post them, or you can reach us at designerhomeelectronics.com, info@designerhomeelectronics.com. And also, we're here to help in any way that we can. Just reach out to us. Smart people with smartphones have smart technology from Designer Home Electronics.